SmartTech Junction. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you if your phone is connected to a Wi-Fi network but you don't know the Wi-Fi network password. If you want to find out that Wi-Fi network password by using the QR code, but you don't need to use another phone to scan that QR code. So this video is only for you guys. Okay, watch this video till end very carefully. First, you need to open the QR code of your connected Wi-Fi network like this. After doing this, guys, just need to save this QR code. So just tap on save as image like this. So this image will save on your phone gallery, and then you need to open the Google Lens on your phone. You can get the option Google Lens, just tap on it. So it will open the Google Lens, as you can see, guys. Okay, now what you need to do, you need to upload that QR code image into the Google Lens. So just tap on the gallery icon. Okay, it will open your phone's gallery and select your QR code image. So it will quickly scan that QR code, and here you can get your password. As you can see, guys, your network name and your network password. From here you can easily able to find out your connected Wi-Fi password using the QR code. In this video we have not used another phone to scan this. Okay, by using your own phone you can easily able to find out your Wi-Fi password by scanning QR code. Okay, so that's it today, guys. The short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.